Should you clean all horizontal surfaces daily? No. Target visible spots and high-touch areas each day and schedule the rest on a sensible cadence. Focus daily effort on high-touch and high-visibility horizontal surfaces, such as kitchen counters around food prep zones, bathroom sink surrounds, dining and coffee tables, and entryway surfaces where hands and items are set down. Use a microfiber cloth and an appropriate cleaner for the surface material. Damp microfiber lifts soils without streaks or residue and reduces the need for harsh chemicals. For food prep counters, clean with a food-safe cleaner or hot soapy water after each meal prep, and follow with a short rinse and dry to prevent bacterial growth. For electronics and screens, lightly dampen a cloth and avoid spraying cleaners directly to prevent damage. For wood surfaces, use a slightly damp cloth and dry immediately, and apply a protective oil or wax monthly if the finish calls for it. High shelves, crown moldings, and rarely used horizontal surfaces can be done weekly or every 2 weeks, depending on visible dust accumulation. Set a simple checklist and pair tasks with weekly chores so nothing is missed. Keep cleaning supplies in 2 or 3 accessible stations around the home so you do not waste time fetching tools for quick spot cleaning. Common mistakes include overcleaning everything daily, which wastes time and wears finishes. Instead, focus daily on spots and high-touch zones and reserve full-surface cleaning for scheduled intervals. Another issue is using incorrect cleaners that damage finishes. Always check the manufacturer guidance. Test in an inconspicuous spot and use pH-appropriate products or mild soap for delicate materials. A third concern is neglecting proper drying, which leads to water spots or finish damage. After wiping, dry promptly with a clean cloth and rotate cleaning frequency based on observed soil rather than an arbitrary schedule. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and post-project needs so contractors can find work that matches their skills. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, ask questions, and share project experiences.